It's a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox, designed to handle life's journeys and all the equipment it requires. And it comes with all the amenities you need: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and Wi-Fi hotspot. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.